Today we're going to learn how to adjust the aperture on your Sony ZV-1 II. We'll show you 3 ways to do it. See all of them to choose the most convenient for you. Let's focus on doing this in manual mode M. In order to turn on this mode, go to the camera menu. Shooting settings. Shooting mode. Select manual mode from the list. Method 1. Control wheel. Press the control wheel downwards to toggle between shutter speed and aperture settings. Once the aperture is selected on the display, turn the control wheel to adjust it. Method 2. Touchscreen. If you prefer using the touchscreen, look for the aperture value on the display when in shooting mode. Simply tap the aperture value on the screen. This will bring up the option to adjust it. Swipe left or right to select the desired aperture. Press to confirm your choice. Method 3. Menu settings. Open the camera's main menu by pressing the menu button. Navigate to main menu and find the option for aperture. Here you can manually select and adjust the aperture. Use the control wheel to set your preferred aperture value. Remember, lower f numbers increase light intake and create a shallow depth of field, ideal for low light or portrait shots. Higher f numbers enhance depth of field, perfect for detailed landscape images.